Ivana, what are you getting? Yeah, we get some potato. We get some potato for Mommy and Daddy to peel. We're preparing dinner together. Good job. Ivana, thank you. Daddy's peeling. We're gonna make a baked potato. Okay, that's last one now, okay? All done. Still have there? Yeah, that's enough now because we have a lot now, okay? Thank you. Now you can pull your chair and then you can watch Mommy and Daddy peel and cut, okay? There. Daddy's gonna peel. Mommy's gonna peel. And Mommy's gonna cut some. And then we're gonna bake. Gonna be good, Ivana?
A carrot.
Carrot, celery, beans, onion, potato. Will be good, eh?
And tinable.
No, that is not cucumber, that's zucchini. Yeah,
Look,
it looks like
like
cucumber, but it's zucchini.
yeah. But it's a family of cucumber.
Yeah. Are you happy?
This one, Mommy.
That's beans. Yeah, beans also go with the carrot. We're gonna... And ham. Ham is like sausage. Hi, Ivana?
I eat.
No, not yet. Not yet, Ivana. We don't eat yet.
It's not cooked.